here in this video, I'm gonna show you the right and professional way of sending email on Gmail app. Okay, so let's get started. Open your Gmail app. Now look at the bottom right corner, here is a pen icon, just click on it. Now in the first line, your own email account will be automatically placed here. But if you want to send your own email account, just click on this down arrow icon just at the right of your email account. Now all the email accounts that have been logged in on your device will be displayed here. And now select your respective email account from where you want to send your email, okay? Now enter the email address of the receiver, and when you type the email address of the receiver, you will see the email profile just below the email address. So just click on the email profile. And if you want to send the email to more than one person, you can do that too. Just enter the email addresses one after one here. And after entering the email addresses of the receiver persons, give a subject to your message. And you have any pre-written message, just copy and paste here. If you want to send any photo, video, or any document, just click on this attach file icon at the top right corner. It'll redirect to your phone gallery. Now select the photo, video, or whatever you want to send to those persons. For example, I'm selecting a picture from here. Now to send this email, just click on the send button at the top right. So this is how you can send email on Gmail app. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.